We can't start now, sir. What is it that you are asking, Rishi? क्या start नहीं कर सकते? Yeah, it's okay. I'll let you know. There are only 5 sums which have been reduced. Like from 9.2, question 7, 8, and 9 have been removed. And from problem set, 8 and 9 have been removed. That's it. So, yeah, good evening to all of you children. We'll be starting with this beautiful topic, which is surface area and volume, right? Now, I believe in our lower standards, Samprit says, sir, I am seeing this upside down. I don't know, Samprit, what is the reason? You may just leave the lecture and rejoin. I tried to change the orientation. That's it, right? Yeah. So, in our lower standards, children, what we studied was about two-dimensional figures, right? Wherein we had only 2 dimensions. Dimensions matlab measurements hota hai, right? Yeah, 2D figures. Perfect. Now we'll just move ahead and we'll talk about 3 dimensional figures. ऐसे figures जिनके पास 3 measurements होते हैं, right? Now let us start with a very simple and basic 3 dimensional object, which we call it as a cuboid. Can any kid here help me with example of a cuboid? Anyone who can help me here with example of a cuboid? Somebody says Rubik cube. That is wrong. Geometry box is an correct example. A box may or may not be a correct. Yeah, shoe box is correct example. Cube is correct, but cube is basically a special type of cuboid. Cylinder is incorrect. Bricks are absolutely correct example. Yeah, toothpaste box. I hope everybody has now understood. Right, right. So a cuboid is basically, maybe I'll put it this way, rectangular in shape. उसका कोई तो एक फेस जो होता है rectangular shape में होता है, and then it looks like a matchbox. आप सबने I guess matchbox तो देखा ही होगा, right? So that is how it looks. Now it has 3 dimensions: length, breadth, and height, right? Length, breadth, and height. Uh, Yeah, that is fine, Saransh. Isometric block is also correct. Now we'll be learning certain, you don't have to draw it, but if you want to, it is always better, right? So the first thing which I would like to talk about related to a cuboid would be its formula for vertical surface area, right? So let us understand how do we find its vertical surface area. In order to understand that in a better way, I would like to draw dotted lines. When I draw dotted lines, this means ये dotted lines visible नहीं है, पीछे की तरफ है. I hope I am clear, right, children? It has to be parallel to this. So it has to go somewhere here and like this. I hope you can just ignore it, right? These 2 lines would be parallel, right? So in order to find vertical surface area, children, I'll just consider one surface at a time. Let's say I'll be talking about this particular surface right here. ये जो surface है, right? अच्छा, ये surface को कौन सा shape दिखाई दे रहा है आप लोगों को? What is the shape of this particular surface? Rectangle. And we all know area of rectangle is nothing but length into breadth in general, right? अब यहाँ पर लेंथ तो लेंथ ही लिखा है हमने, लेकिन ब्रेथ को आई हैव गिवन अ स्पेशल नेम हियर व्हिच इज हाइट. सो फॉर दिस रेक्टेंगल द फॉर्मूला वुड बी L into H, राइट? लेंथ इनटू हाइट, राइट? अब ये पूरे बॉक्स में, ये पूरे क्यूबॉइड में एग्जैक्टली सिमिलर टू दिस और कोई रेक्टेंगल है क्या? Is there any other rectangle which is exactly similar to this? Yes, the rectangle which is right opposite to this one, right? So this is the rectangle जिसका डायमेंशन सेम होगा, मतलब एरिया भी सेम होगा. So can I state the area of this beautiful rectangle? This one would be nothing but again length into height. So plus I would rather write plus length into height क्योंकि दो बार add होगा, correct? Okay, now there are two more vertical walls left out, children, right? Vertical walls मतलब total चार vertical walls है, एक इस तरफ, एक पीछे की तरफ, one on the other side, and one which is right in the front, right? So we have considered both side wala faces. Now I'll be considering back and front wala, right? नहीं, 4 times नहीं होगा ऋषि, 2 times इसका हो गया और इसका 2 times. अब इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? See, generally the formula is length into breadth, but here it would be b into h. तो similarly इसका भी होगा b into h. So plus b into h दो बार आ जाएगा because there are two surfaces. I hope it is clear. Now L into h plus L into h, we all know it is, what is b? B is nothing but breadth. I'll just write it for you. Breadth, length, and this is nothing but height, right? I hope that is clear. So L is nothing but length, h is nothing but height, and b is nothing but breadth. Now LH plus LH, it is like x plus x. X plus x क्या होता है? 2x, right? वैसे LH plus LH क्या होगा? 2LH, right? Plus, अच्छा, BH plus BH क्या होगा? 2BH, right? Now children, if you pay attention here, 2 is common, H is also common. So can I take 2 and H common? Yes. Taking 2 and H common, what is left is L, and what is left is B, right? Yeah. So 2HL plus B. अच्छा, टेक्स्ट बुक में ये सेम फॉर्मूला को कैसे प्रेजेंट किया है? 2 into L plus B, अलग से H को पीछे लिखा है. इट मीन्स द सेम. H को पहले लिखो या बाद में, still means the same, right? So आज के बाद if somebody asks you what is vertical surface area of a cuboid, right? Vertical VSA का मतलब क्या है? Vertical surface area. What is VSA? The meaning of VSA, right? Vertical surface area, which is equals to 2 into length plus breadth into height. So I want you all to give the heading as cuboid and copy this. Perfect. There is no need to remember the derivation, Samina. You just have to remember the formula. That's it. Razin, the actual meaning of vertical surface area is जो surfaces vertical है, उनका area. That is the meaning of it. Now, if you have seen a matchbox, तो उसमें 4 vertical surfaces होते हैं, तो चारों vertical surfaces का area हमने add किया. That is the meaning of vertical surface area. Yeah, that's absolutely fine, Aishwarya. Okay, hope everybody has understood this and have finished copying it. Sir, can you explain just in short only the first, I don't know, first what? First line. See, whoever the kid was, L into H कैसे आया? Talking about this surface, side wala surface, right? It is rectangular in shape. And we all know rectangle का area क्या होता है? Length into breadth, right? So L into H, क्योंकि यहाँ पे breadth को एक special name दिया है, which is H. So L into H. अब क्योंकि इसके जैसा exactly similar एक और surface है, which is on the opposite side, right? This one. Hence उसका भी area L into H होगा. And likewise, talking about area of these two surfaces, it has to be B into H plus B into H, right? Hope all the kids have finished copying the formula. Yeah. Moving on to the next set of formula, children, which is nothing but total surface area. Right? Now let us talk about total surface area. टोटल सरफेस एरिया के लिए बेसिकली चारों वर्टिकल सरफेसेस तो ऐड करना ही है, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ चिल्ड्रन हॉरिजॉन्टल सरफेसेस भी ऐड करना है. आई होप एवरीबडी, यस Daniel, your messages are being reaching me, don't worry about that. Yeah children, I hope everybody is currently being sitting inside a room, maybe your bedroom or a classroom or hall room, whatever it is, right? That hall room or maybe the bedroom may not be a perfect example of a cuboid, but I hope you can correlate it with a cuboid, right? क्योंकि किसी किसी के घर पे हो सकता है वो डिजाइन थोड़ा बहुत अलग हो. So if you look at the room, probably there are 6 surfaces which we find, right? 4 दीवारें होगी आसपास, and ऊपर की तरफ एक छत दिखेगा, the this upper surface, and नीचे की तरफ. Yeah, the book is also cuboidal in shape. Perfect, Shruti. So my point here is we need to add all the surfaces. अब 4 को तो हम already add कर चुके हैं and we have got the answer. Now let us add both the horizontal surfaces, right? तो नीचे वाले horizontal surface का area is nothing but B into L, L into B. तो क्योंकि नीचे वाले का L into B है, ऊपर वाला भी exactly same होगा ना, hence it has to be L into B. So I'll put it as LB plus LB, which is 2LB. I hope everybody has understood this. 2LB कैसे आया? दोनों horizontal surfaces का area. Perfect. Now I would just consider this line directly there. 2LH plus 2BH, because दोनों vertical surfaces का area है वो, right? Plus 2LH plus, yeah, 2LH plus 2BH. Any doubts related to this particular line, please let me know. Yeah, perfect. So I move ahead now, talking about something common here. It is nothing but 2. Nothing common. नहीं, H भी common नहीं है Daniel. यहाँ पर H नहीं है. H सिर्फ second and third term में है. So the only thing which is common in all the 3 terms is 2. So we take 2 common. I put a open bracket thing. LB plus, you can write any term first. I'll just write BH. I'll let you know why, and then LH. The reason why I've written BH first, it becomes very easy to remember this formula. How? Uh, I hope everybody can remember this thing, LBH, right? Very simple to remember LBH. Now, 2 into first second का product ले लो, which would be LB. First term, second term, LB, right? So that is your first term. सेकेंड टर्म के लिए सेकेंड और थर्ड का प्रोडक्ट ले लो BH. अच्छा, थर्ड टर्म के लिए फर्स्ट और थर्ड का प्रोडक्ट ले लो, विच इज LH. सो इट इज LH. आई होप एवरीबडी हैज अंडरस्टूड द ट्रिक. सो इट इज लाइक 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, right? So that is the formula for total surface area. The abbreviation for same can be written as TSA, right? Last but not the least, I would like to talk about volume of a cuboid, right? Volume of a cuboid कैसे find करेंगे? I hope everybody must have seen a book. Yeah, that is correct, Arman. ये जो book है, it is AB plus, नहीं, meet, that is wrong. Now children, tell me what is the shape of this page which is visible to you. ये जो book का cover है, I'll just slightly zoom out. Yeah, the answer is correct. ये जो पेज है इसका शेप क्या है? रेक्टेंगुलर इन शेप, राइट? नाउ इफ आई कंसीडर दैट this dimension is nothing but length and this dimension is nothing but breadth, right? So we have length and breadth. So the area of this particular rectangle area has to be length into breadth, right children? Length into breadth. तो ये एक शीट था, इसके लिए लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. इमेजिन करो एग्जैक्टली सेम शेप का एक और शीट, तो उसका भी एरिया, कैन आई स्टेट इट हैज टू बी लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ, राइट? सो L इंटू बी प्लस L इंटू बी, टोटल एरिया कितना हो गया? 2LB, राइट? अच्छा, एक और पेज ऐड किया, 3LB. अच्छा, अब मैंने 3LB ऐड किया, तब तक इसका हाइट बहुत छोटा था. इट वाज वेरी स्मॉल, सो वी डू नॉट कंसिडर इट, एंड हेंस वी कॉल दिस स्टफ एज एरिया. बट जब ये जो हाइट है, ये जो नंबर ऑफ पेजेस है, जब मैं बढ़ा देता हूं चिल्ड्रन, एंड दिस थिंग इट बिकम्स कंसिडरेबल, ठीक है, एक अच्छा खासा अमाउंट बन जाता है, तो इट बिकम्स अ 3 डायमेंशनल ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉलिंग दैट क्वांटिटी एज एरिया, वी स्टार्ट कॉलिंग इट एज volume. So volume is basically nothing but space occupied by this object. I hope that is clear. Right. So I hope everybody must have understood this example. In this example, children, I started with the base. Okay. So can I consider it is nothing but area of the base into number of pages, जितना भी pages है, correct? हर एक पेज को ऐड करने से अच्छा इट इज लाइक area of the base wala page into number of pages, and that number of pages children is nothing but height, isn't it? So volume ka formula is as simple as base area into height, and we all know cuboid ka jo base hai, it is rectangular in shape, hence length into breadth, and height को अगर मैं h से abbreviate करूं, so the formula becomes L into B into h. Volume I would like to abbreviate it with V, right? So these are the two formulas. I request you all to copy. Yeah, I would zoom in. Just give me a minute. Yeah, here it is, the zoom in part. What, 2 or 3? It is not necessary to draw the figures while doing the sum. Rishi Jain, it's absolutely okay if you are not able to draw a cuboid, though it is a very simple thing to be drawn. Yeah, Luke, I would show that, but let all the kids first finish copying this. Meanwhile, you two copy this first, and then I'll display the previous page. Sir, can you explain total surface area? Child, the kid who missed explanation of total surface area due to various reasons, you may watch the video lecture once. You'll be able to understand that. Believe me. As of now, what I need is you all to ratify the formula. That's it. Volume ka formula, total surface area ka formula, and curved surface, sorry, not curved surface area, it is vertical surface area ka formula. Right? So I hope you kids might have finished copying this too. Yeah, Prapti has finished. Rishi has already finished. Arman, Saransh, Yoshita, and many other kids have finished. So, sir, how can, because there, Shreyansh, I understand there were network issues. As I said, you can just watch the video lecture once. As of now, it is very important for us to learn the formula and go ahead with the sums, right? Here is the vertical surface area explanation. Be very quick to copy this. Jayesh, you have raised your hand. Are there any queries? If yes, please ask through message. और अगर आपको लगता है मैसेजेस में आप कन्वे नहीं कर पाओगे तो मैसेजेस में लिखो कि मुझे अनम्यूट करो. I'll do that. Don't worry. Or just lower your hand. Yeah, Jayesh wants me to unmute. Jayesh, you haven't mentioned your branch, child. कौन से ब्रांच से हो आप? Before I unmute you, I want to verify which branch you are from. Jayesh is from Chembur. Uh, which school, Jayesh? Are you from? Jayesh, I've asked you a question. Affect English School. Sharansh is, I am on mute. No, I am not. क्या question है Jayesh? You may ask. I'll just try to help you there. Don't worry. Anyways, I'll contact you and we'll get through the doubt. Right, Jayesh? Yeah. Okay. Now, I would like to move ahead, children. Here, let's say I'll just deal with few sums, and then we'll talk about the next uh, three-dimensional figure. So, practice set 9.1. Practice set 9.1. Question number 1. Okay. It says length, breadth, and height of a cuboid shape box of a medicine is 20 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 10 centimeter respectively. Right? Respectively का मतलब होता है, respectively का मतलब होता है, जैसे यहाँ पे लेंथ पहले लिखा है, तो the corresponding measure for length is 20 centimeter. Breadth बीच में है या in order, perfect. So the corresponding measure has to be 12 and height is at the end. So hence the corresponding measure is 10, right? So I would put it as cuboid, the heading, right? Yeah, cuboid. And then I believe length is given to us as 20 centimeter. Breadth is given to us as, yeah, 12 centimeter. And height is given to us as 10 centimeter, right? The next part, it says, find surface area of vertical faces. अच्छा, surface area of vertical faces बोला तो confuse नहीं होने का. We mean to find vertical surface area. Perfect, right? And also we need to find the total surface area. So children, basically we need to find two things here. अच्छा, एग्जाम में शॉर्टकट नहीं लिखना है, एग्जाम में फुल फॉर्म लिखना है, वर्टिकल सरफेस एरिया. सो बेसिकली वी नीड टू फाइंड वर्टिकल सरफेस एरिया as well as total surface area. Let us start with vertical surface area. Vertical surface area is nothing but, yeah, perfect. 2 into L plus B into H, right? And the formula for total surface area, I hope everybody knows, is nothing but 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So kids, I'll give you a chance here to kind of move ahead, substitute the values and try and find out the answers, right? Yeah, that is correct, Dimple. Substitute the values, children. Length ka value is nothing but, right? Razin, I hope you know you are finding area, child. तो लास्ट में सेंटीमीटर नहीं आता है, right? Yeah, it has to be square centimeter or centimeter square. Perfect. So I've just substituted the values. Hope everybody has did the same. 2 into 20 plus 12 is 32 into 10. So that is nothing but 64 into 10, which is 640 square centimeter. Hope everybody has understood this, right? Yeah. Now we talk about the substitution of this part. Yeah. 2 into L ka value is nothing but 20 into b का value is nothing but 12 plus, okay, b का value is 12 into h का value is 10 plus l का value is 20 into h का value is 10. That is correct, Swayam, right? And bracket close. I would like to just continue on the next page. Yeah. So total surface area is nothing but, right, 2 into 20 into 12 is 240 plus 12 into 10 is 120 plus 200. So it is like 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 560. And when you just multiply them, 1120 square centimeter is the final answer. So children, at the end, what you have to do at the end, this many kids forget to do. You have to write down the final answer. Therefore, the surface area, right, of vertical faces and total surface area are the values were 640 square centimeter, sorry, and 1120 square centimeter respectively. Perfect. So if you don't write, yeah, you can put vertical surface area. That's absolutely fine. If you don't write the final answer, you'll lose half a mark there. रेस्पेक्टिवली कब इंपॉर्टेंट होता है ऋषि? जब आप दोनों एक साथ लिखते हो. इमेजिन यू वुड हैव रिटन द स्टेटमेंट समथिंग लाइक दिस, ऋषि. The vertical surface area is 640 square centimeter and the total surface area is 1120 square centimeter. तब रेस्पेक्टिवली का जरूरत नहीं है. बट क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैंने दोनों को साथ में लिखा है एंड देन दोनों का वैल्यूज अलग से साथ में लिखा है, तब मुझे रेस्पेक्टिवली लिखना है. तो रेस्पेक्टिवली क्या काम करता है कि पहले जो नाम लिखा है उसका फर्स्ट वैल्यू, बाद में जो वैल्यू लिखा है द वन विच इज लेटर, उसका वैल्यू कम्स लेटर, राइट? So I hope every kid has finished with this particular sum, right? Rishi and Shruti has finished. I don't know about others. And Sandhya is finished. Sai to Vaishnavi. Okay, so I can see many kids have finished. Okay, so I would like to move on to question 2 now, right? Yeah. Question number 2. Total surface area of a box of a cuboid shape is 500 square unit, right? So, yeah, first thing, I would like to give it a heading as cuboid because the sum is based on cuboid. Second thing, total surface area of this cuboid has been given to us as 500 square unit. Now, do not get confused because of the word unit. It can be centimeter, meter, kilometer, anything, right? Okay, its breadth and height is 6 and 5. So children, breadth is given to us as 6 units and height is given to us as 5 units. What is the length of the box? That is the question. Now children, it is very clear and I hope you all kids understand this कि अगर total surface area का value given है, then we have to use it in the solution, right, of the sum. And hence we'll talk about total surface area, right? So total surface area of a cuboid, we all know the formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Correct? Okay, what is the value for total surface area? Can somebody help me here? Value for total surface area? Perfect, Razin and Rishi and Ashwarya and Sakshi, right? And so on and so forth. Rishika too. So total surface area ka value is 500, not 500 square. It is just 500, Kritika. Okay, so total surface area is 500, which is given 2 into. अच्छा, लेंथ का वैल्यू गिवन है क्या हम लोगों को? No, not given. So I'll just substitute length as it is into. Breadth ka value, is it given to us? Yes, so that is 6. Plus, once again, breadth ka value is 6 and height ka value is 5. Plus, again, I do not know value of length, so I just copy it as it is. Just give me a moment, children, here. Very sorry for the interruption. Yeah, that is correct, Rishit. The answer is correct. Yeah, so length ka value we do not know, so I've just copied it as it is into. I hope you kids are able to hear me, right? Yeah, Rizal, that is correct. Yes, 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 perfect. Into H. H ka value is 5 units, right? Therefore, okay, children, this 2, since it is common to all of them, I can directly shift it on the other side. अच्छा, 2 कॉमन यानी मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है, तो हम लोग को पता है मल्टीप्लीकेशन जब ऑपोजिट साइड पर जाता है इक्वल टू के, तो इट गेट्स डिवाइडेड. सो 500 अपॉन 2 is equal to, अच्छा, L into 6 is like 6 into L. Yeah, the answer is 20 units. That is correct. Arman, square नहीं आएगा, length है ना, right? I wrote 5 first. The L is that okay? Uh, yeah, it's okay if you write 5L first. Does not matter. So I've just written 6L first. 5 6 is 30 plus L into 5 is 5L. I hope everybody has reached till this point. Okay, now 2 ones are 2, 250s are, right? Simple cancellation. So I would like to continue on the next page from here. Is I hope you kids remember it was 250 is equals to, yeah, 250 is equals to 6L plus 5L. क्योंकि दोनों like terms है, right? Both of them are like terms. We add them and they become 11L plus 30. अच्छा, 30 is not a like term. वहां पे L नहीं है, so we cannot add it. So 11L plus 30. Now this 30 and 250, they are like terms, and hence we shift 30 on the left hand side. Now in between what we have is a plus sign, hence when it goes on the left hand side, it has to become minus. Beautiful. 11L. So 250 minus 30, the answer is 220 and this is 11L. 11 और L के बीच में कुछ नहीं है, मतलब multiplication है. Multiplication goes on the other side, gets divided. So divided by 11, 11 ones are 11 20s are. So L is equals to 20 units. Hope everybody has understood. Yeah, the final statement has to be length of the cuboid shaped box is 20 units. Therefore, length of the cuboid shaped box. Yeah, फिर you can just write it simply. Length of the cuboid is 20 units, right? Yeah. If anybody wants me to display the previous page, Just let me know, I'll do that. Yeah, I can see many kids have already finished writing, right? Okay. Oh, right. Question number 5. It says volume of the cuboid, right? So once again, children, we are talking about a cuboid. Now, जिसका volume has been given to us is 34.50 cubic meter. I hope you all know cubic meter can be written something like this. Okay, Omar Ansari from Vikroli says that my voice is cracking. Is it, children? Uh, Child, I can see a dozen of no's. That means I am pretty much clear. So, yeah, must be some internet connection issue at your end, child, right? Yeah. So, volume is this. Uh, okay. Breadth is breadth is how much? The question says breadth and height of the cuboid is 1.5 meter and 1.15. So breadth is 1.5 meter and height is 1.15 meters respectively. Find its length. Okay, I hope you kids must have understood that previous sum mein, instead of volume, what was given to us? Total surface area, and hence we used total surface area. We started with total surface area. Now since volume has been given to us, we would start the sum with volume ka formula. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. It can be stated as 34.5. In fact, आगे तेरे को 50 जीरो लगाने का तो भी लगा सकता है. It does not carries any value, right? So volume is equals to length into breadth into height. Okay, that is the start point of our solution. Therefore, okay, volume का value. Yeah, meter, instead of writing this, you can always write it as meter cube. It means the same. Cubic meter, cubic meter. अब volume का value is 34.50 is equal to, I don't know value of length, so I just write it as it is. Breadth is 1.5 and height, children, is 1.15. Hope this much is clear to all of you, right? Now the next step, what I'll be doing is I'll be removing the decimal point. ये जो point है हम उसको eliminate करेंगे. I hope all the kids know the method to eliminate a decimal, right? अच्छा, in case किसी बच्चे को नहीं पता है, right? Let us understand. Decimal के बाद how many digits can you see here? 1 and 2. So if there are 2 digits, you divide it by 100. Now in this case, ये 0 का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. तो किसी बच्चे ने अगर 0.5 लिखा है तो आप अपॉन 10 ले सकते हो. किसी बच्चे ने 0.500 लिखा है तो आप अपॉन 1000 लो. That is your choice, right? Yeah, Soham, see, the logic behind removing decimal is something like this. This is not part of sum. Soham ने पूछा सर into करना है कि divide, right? So the logic is something like this, Soham. In actual life, in correct mathematics, what happens is we multiply and divide this number by 100. Now, when you multiply this stuff with 100, this point jumps towards right by two, digits. क्योंकि दो जीरो है, right? That you can call it as matha magic. मैथ्स का मैजिक है, 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पे पॉइंट राइट में शिफ्ट होता है, वैसे ही 100 से डिवाइड करने पे पॉइंट लेफ्ट में 2 बार शिफ्ट होता है. सो बेसिकली दिस डज नॉट चेंजेस द मीनिंग, राइट. सो अपॉन 100 बच जाएगा अगर मैं पॉइंट को राइट में शिफ्ट करता हूं. हेंस इन ऑर्डर टू रिमूव द डेसिमल आई हैव रिटन अपॉन 100. समझा? Yes. So ignore this part now. Just come back to this. Right. Likewise, 1.5 के लिए अगर मैं डेसिमल हटा दूं तो what happens is 15 अपॉन डेसिमल के आगे कितना डिजिट है? सिर्फ एक. मतलब 15 अपॉन क्या आएगा? 10. परफेक्ट. एंड 1.15 का डेसिमल हटा के 115 अपॉन 100. So I would just like to move ahead with the next step on the next page. Yeah. So therefore 34 point, sorry, my mistake. Therefore, 3450 upon 100 is equals to L into 15 upon 10, right? Yeah, that's correct. Beep. 115 upon 100, right? So you can just straight away cancel these zeros. And then in order to find L का value, we have to keep L alone. L को alone रखना है, मतलब इन सब को इक्वल टू के दूसरे साइड पर ट्रांसफर करना है. अब ट्रांसफर करने के लिए व्हेन वी हैव फ्रैक्शंस, आई विल गिव यू अ रूल. जो जो नंबर्स डिनोमिनेटर में है, व्हेन यू शिफ्ट देम ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ इक्वल टू, दे विल गो इन द न्यूमरेटर, राइट. सो इट लुक्स समथिंग लाइक दिस. 3 4 5 into 10 into 100 अपॉन, ये 10 पहले से था, राइट. अब जो जो न्यूमरेटर में है, द रूल इज दे विल गो इन द डिनोमिनेटर. सो into 15 into 115 is equals to L, right. I hope everybody has understood this particular step. Yes. 10 gets cancelled. Now we can cancel the other numbers. Yeah, perfect. So 5 3s are 15. Okay, we all know 5 6 is 30, so 4 is left. Suzanne has requested me to explain it again. What part, Suzanne? The shifting part? Suzanne, देख, L को alone रखने के लिए the rule is pretty much simple. जब fractions होता है यहाँ पर, तो डिनोमिनेटर में जो जो है वो आ जाते हैं न्यूमरेटर में, 10 into 100. और जो न्यूमरेटर में है वो आ जाते हैं डिनोमिनेटर में. 10 पहले से था, 15 into 115, right? 5 3s are 5 6 is 30, right? तो 4 बचा, 45. 9s are perfect. Okay, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are. So what we have, children, as of now is 23 into 100 upon 115 is equals to L. I hope everybody is with me till this point. Yeah. अब ये दोनों भी कैंसिल कर सकते हो आप लोग. 5 2s are 10, 1 is left, 3s are 15. Okay. 5 2s are 10, 20s are 23 23 will get cancelled. So what is left is 20. So L is nothing but 20 units, and therefore the final answer, I hope you all can write that. Therefore the length of the cuboid is 20 units. Meter है क्या? Meter, my mistake. Meter. Hope everybody has understood it. Right. Now we need to discuss next formula here, which let's say is a cube. Children, a cube is a special. Sir, main answer you have not written. Sai, I've mentioned the final answer. I hope you kids can write it, and hence I move ahead, is what I said. So I requested you all to write the final answer, which is nothing but, therefore, length of the cuboid is 20 meters. Still, if you want me to write it, I can do that. Right? Yeah. So cube. A cube is a special type of a cuboid. Now, why I'm saying that it is a special type of a cuboid? I believe you might have seen a cube, children. Cube is such a figure जिसका हर एक सरफेस जो होता है स्क्वायर शेप का होता है. एंड आई होप एवरीबडी नोज कि स्क्वायर जो है मतलब उसमें चारों साइड इक्वल होते हैं, राइट? सो ऑल द 6 सरफेसेस दे विल बी स्क्वायर. तो बेसिकली हर एक साइड जो आपको दिखाई देगा that will be same. So instead of length, breadth and height, what we will have is length, length and length, or breadth, breadth and breadth, or height, height and height, because सबका value same है. I hope that is clear. So it is as good as खाली एक साइड का वैल्यू आप नाम दे दो कुछ भी, भले ए बोलो, एल बोलो, पी बोलो, बी बोलो, इट इज योर चॉइस. तो इफ दिस इज एल सेंटीमीटर, each and every side would be L centimeter, right? A nice block, absolutely perfect, Arman, right? Again, this ice block, the cube, children, has 6 surfaces, right? And each of them is a square. So I would like to start with the vertical surface area first. Acha children, I hope you kids know what is formula for area of a square. Can somebody help me here? Area of a square का formula क्या है? Razin says LB, that is wrong. Area of a square पूछा है, not rectangle. Yeah, Sharanya, that is correct. Vaishnavi, that is incorrect. Sharanya from Ghatkopar is correct. And there was a kid who was correct. Sai is correct. Yeah, it is side square. There are many kids saying 4 into side. Children, 4 into side was nothing but the perimeter of square. Area of a square is side square, right? तो क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैंने साइड को नेम दिया है L इन द फिगर, इट हैज टू बी L स्क्वायर, एक एरिया का वैल्यू. अच्छा, टोटल कितने वर्टिकल सरफेसेस होते हैं क्यूब के पास? वर्टिकल चिल्ड्रन, ऋषि, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वर्टिकल. इट इज 4. वैष्णवी, वर्टिकल सुनते नहीं हो तुम लोग, राइट? एक क्यूब के पास 4 वर्टिकल सरफेसेस होते हैं, राइट? अगर एक सरफेस का एरिया साइड स्क्वायर यानी एल स्क्वायर है तो दो सरफेस का होगा 2L स्क्वायर, 3 सरफेस का 3L स्क्वायर, 4 सरफेस का 4L स्क्वायर. हेंस द फॉर्मूला इज 4 इंटू साइड स्क्वायर, मतलब 4 इंटू एल स्क्वायर. ए लाइकवाइज टोटल सरफेस एरिया के लिए, टोटल हाउ मेनी सरफेसेस डू वी हैव? टोटल 6, and hence the formula is 6 into area of one surface. Now we talk about volume. If you all remember, the volume for a cuboid was L into B into H, right? इधर क्योंकि तीनों वैल्यू सेम है तो B और H के बदले can I write LL? Yes, so it is like L into L into L. Again, the same concept can be used, base area into height, L square into L. So L cube. So these are the formulas which are related to a cube. I want you all to copy this, right? Give the heading as cube and copy this. Wow, it's already done. Huh. So I would like to start with a sum here, children. A very simple sum. Let's say question number 6. So practice set 9.1. Question number 6. It says, what will be the volume of a cube having length of edge 7.5 centimeters? So first thing, we are talking about a cube here, right? Second thing, the length of edge matlab side, has been given to us as 7.5 centimeter. So 7.5 centimeter, and they've asked us to find volume. So solution, क्योंकि वॉल्यूम ढूंढना है, उसका फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. वॉल्यूम इज नथिंग बट एल क्यूब, which is 7.5 का क्यूब, which I hope you kids know. आपको 7.5 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Is there any kid who has already finished? Just let me know what the answer is. Right? Let's see who can finish it off. Okay, Tirth has given me an answer, 421.875, the first person to finish it. And I believe he is correct. बाकी बच्चे लोग को कुछ अलग आ रहा है. या Daniel, that is correct. I hope you are not doing it with the help of calculator, children. Yeah, so the correct answer is 421.875. Yet, you know what, children? You lose your half mark here even after doing everything correctly. Because there is this rule wherein, as per board rules, yeah, that is correct. As per board rules, the third digit after the decimal के बाद नहीं, हाँ, statement के लिए तो आधा मार्क कटेगा ही. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द आंसर. डेसिमल के बाद जो थर्ड डिजिट है, राइट, उसके लिए देयर इज अ स्पेसिफिक रूल चिल्ड्रन. वो हर बार आपको फॉलो करना ही है, राइट? एंड व्हाट इज दैट रूल? लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड इट. नाउ इफ दिस थर्ड डेसिमल, if it is equal to 5 or if it is greater than 5, तो हमको करना ये है कि वो 5 को इग्नोर करके उसका जो प्रीवियस वाला डिजिट है, जैसे यहां पर 7 है, उसमें +1 करना है. अच्छा, व्हाट इफ इट इज स्मॉलर देन 5? मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल यहां पर 4 होता, तो हमको सिर्फ उसको इग्नोर करना है और हमारा फाइनल आंसर होता 421.87, राइट? बट नहीं, माइनस नहीं करना है, 87 ही रहेगा अगर लेसर देन 5 होगा तो. बट इफ इट इज इक्वल टू और ग्रेटर देन 5, जैसे यहाँ पे इक्वल टू 5 है, तो उसको इग्नोर करके 7 के साथ +1 करना है, देन दैट विल बी 8. So my final answer, children, has to be 421.88 centimeter cube. That you have to put it in your final statement. Therefore, the volume of the cube is. This is not a new rule, Rishi. It has been followed from ages. Might be आपने आज सुना होगा. There is no reason, Daniel. It is just a rule which we follow. मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, आप लोग शायद पहली बार सुन रहे होंगे. Yeah, we call it as rounding of rule. That is correct, Ankita. Those kids who are requesting me to repeat it, you can just, kind of watch it in the video, though there are many kids who are requesting, so I'll just repeat it. See, what I said was, there is this rule, जो third digit होता है, if that value, children, is equal to 5 or greater than 5, right? तो उसको हटा करके, इग्नोर करके, उसके जो प्रीवियस वाला डिजिट है उसमें +1 हो जाता है, एंड इट हैज बिकम 8. नाउ व्हाट इफ दैट वैल्यू वाज लेसर देन 5? मतलब 5 से छोटा है, 4 3 2 1 कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट? तो अगर 4 3 2 1 में से कोई भी वैल्यू है यहाँ पर, वी जस्ट हैव टू इग्नोर द थर्ड डिजिट एंड द फाइनल आंसर वुड बी 421.87. दैट्स इट. Hope everybody has understood it. Yeah, the statement is very simple, Sai. It is, therefore the volume of the cuboid, sorry, not cuboid, cube. Therefore the volume of the cube is 421.88 centimeter cube. Hope that is understood to all of you. Yeah, so that will give you 3 marks. How many marks? If you write this as the final answer and the final statement, you'll get 3 marks. So children, what we have done today is we have completed first sum, second sum, fifth, and sixth sum, right? I would like to add question 3 as homework. I want you all to give it a try. We need to find vertical surface area and total surface area of a cube, right? Yeah. Thank you so much, children, and God bless you all. Yeah. Bye, children.